Thinking about selling your home in Sarasota or Lakewood Ranch? Don't waste time staging every inch. In today's market, there are 3 key rooms that can make or break your sale, and most sellers get this wrong. Let me show you where to focus for faster offers and higher returns in Sarasota. Hey, I'm Darren Dowling with Beyond Realty here in sunny Sarasota, Florida. On this channel, I bring you straight talk on real estate trends, buyer behavior, and home selling strategies that work, especially right now here in Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch. If you're ready to sell smart, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my next tips, tricks, and advice. Now that buyers have more choices, your home needs to stand out. One of the best ways to do that is staging. And no, staging isn't about making your home look like a Pinterest board. It's about creating a warm welcome vibe that helps buyers instantly picture themselves living there. You don't have to go overboard. According to the National Association of Realtors, the 3 most important rooms to stage are the living room, primary bedroom, and kitchen. These are emotional anchors of any home and where buyers will spend the most time. In Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch, homes that feel clean, open, and move-in ready are the ones that attract top offers. So what does that look like? Declutter and depersonalize. Take down family photos and personal knickknacks. Rearrange furniture to improve flow and make spaces feel larger. Add simple accents. Think greenery, art, and soft lighting. Sometimes that's enough, but if your home is vacant or has dated furniture, your agent might recommend a professional stager. Yes, it can cost more, but stage homes typically sell faster and for more money. The data's out there. It's a pure fact. Your real estate agent will guide you on what makes sense based on your home's condition, local buyer expectations, and how fast similar properties are selling nearby. Remember, you're not decorating, you're setting the stage for someone else's future. So do you want to know which room in your house makes the biggest impression? Let's walk through it together. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to reach out to me via call or text, and let's get your home staged and sell in Sarasota together.